Since Oklahoma enacted a near-total abortion ban in 2022, state officials have relied on a program called Choosing Childbirth to support expectant mothers who might have otherwise terminated their pregnancies. The program gives grants to organizations to provide things like diapers or parenting classes.
Previously, those funds have been restricted to groups that maintain a physical presence in the state. But after one nonprofit lobbied for changes, that's no longer the case. Human Coalition is a Texas-based group that uses internet marketing to connect women with crisis pregnancy centers and social workers. It applied for Choosing Childbirth funding in 2024, but was rejected after officials determined its lack of a physical presence in Oklahoma disqualified it.
In 2020, Human Coalition applied to distribute Choosing Childbirth funding to other nonprofits. It was passed over for the role because the State Department of Health determined that it would have used most of its funding to support telehealth services rather than direct supports to Oklahomans.
But this year, Republican State Senator Julie Daniels authored a bill that allows out-of-state organizations to receive Choosing Childbirth grants. She said she did so after meeting with Human Coalition lobbyists at a policy summit in December. Now that the bill's passed, she hopes the organization's online model will connect with women less inclined to seek out resources in person.
Several other states, like Louisiana, work with Human Coalition and say they're happy with the services they provide. Multiple local crisis pregnancy centers have expressed their interest in having the organization work in Oklahoma.
But Human Coalition has also accrued some controversy. It was accused by a watchdog group of improperly using state funding for religious purposes in North Carolina. In Oklahoma, the Choosing Childbirth program prohibits religious proselytizing with state dollars. An organization in Texas also accused Human Coalition of distributing misleading advertisements. They appeared to be from an abortion provider, but in reality, they connected women to crisis pregnancy centers.
Human Coalition officials declined to be interviewed for our story, but said in a statement that they have successfully lobbied for Choosing Childbirth funding to increase by millions of dollars. They did not confirm whether they will apply for grants when applications open next year under the new rules. Read our full story online.